All right, Stace, let's do it. Rock and roll. Meal prep session coming up, guys. We got 2 pans. The heat is on.
Heat's on.
So stick around. Up next is Stacie's grass-fed goulash.
All right, so we're gonna do 2 little versions of this grass-fed goulash. We each have 2.5 pounds of burger, so we're gonna get that going in our pan right away.
Okay.
Pan should be hot. Pan's been hot. Little olive oil on the bottom, just enough to get it a little bit moist down there. Then we're going to put our burger in there.
Should we season? How about this? Let's season. This is maybe one of my tips for you.
Okay.
Season it.
I usually do it in the pan. Okay, so that's the secret.
Yeah. One of the tips, like that way that stuff's gonna sear right into the meat instantly. And then season side down. Boom.
Awesome.
And then we'll season the top side.
Okay.
Rocking and rolling.
Okay.
What's next?
You can add the onion. Well, we can definitely mix this around.
Mix it
sure.
up?
Yeah, mix it up.
Get that started. That's looking good.
So far.
And then you were saying onion?
We need to add the onion next.
Let's do this. We can dice these guys. Okay, let me just show you here. This is where the root is.
Okay. Yeah.
That's where everything connects. So put that away from your knife.
Okay.
And then use those lines. Don't cut all the way through. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I cut all the way through.
It'll be okay.
Okay.
Just try not to. No, put so that the tip of your knife stops.
Okay.
Goes all the way through, but not past the
got it.
end.
Okay, got it. Okay, got it. Okay.
And then here you can maybe do 1 across like that. And that way the onion, look at that.
Okay.
Stays all. You're not going to be able to do that, are you? No, but you can just try here.
Okay.
It's easier when the onion is connected, right? When you don't cut all the way through. The only thing missing is that end piece. And then it's ready to do this.
Just chop it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's not as fine as yours.
That's okay. It's goulash.
It's goulash.
Yeah. Then 1 more.
Everything goes.
Again.
All right. I'll try.
1, 2, 3, 4. Quick learner.
I don't think I went far enough.
Get after it.
Yeah, pretty darn close. Okay.
And then in the pan.
In the pan. In the pan.
No, we had some help with part of the prep, so I'll give you half the onion and I'll take half. How's that? Couple peppers, that'll be okay.
Couple peppers.
And then what? Stir it up?
Stir it up. Mine's already browning a little bit.
Yeah, mine too. And you think like this is kind of the most basic of meal prep?
Yeah,
Browning some
this
burger
is
and
for sure.
throw some veggies in.
Can never go wrong with a little bit of burger. And vegetables, for sure.
All right, I'm looking good over here. You got yours?
Doing good.
Should we hit the peppers?
Let's do the peppers.
Okay. Orange.
You showed me a trick. All right. Okay, so this way.
Let me have you try. This will be easier one to start with.
Okay.
But go right in this area, cut through, and then take your knife, kind of back it out, and cut down like that.
Okay.
But not all the way through. And then turn your knife like this, and kind of saw back and forth.
Got it.
And then roll. You want to stay out of the middle because as soon as you hit the middle, then all the seeds show up.
Oh yeah.
And what are we doing here?
We don't waste anything.
It's 4 peppers.
4 peppers. 4 peppers.
4 peppers.
You can add more. You can add less. It's to your preference.
If you take and cut it here, and then stack it, then you'll have half as many cuts.
Awesome.
Takes a little more skill, but you got the skill. So we'll still set these aside. Is that the plan?
Yes, that's the plan.
Right at the end. We'll just push them forward. How about that?
Okay, perfect.
I'll do the 2 greens, you do the reds.
All right.
Is that cool? How's the burger looking? Mine's looking good.
I need a stir mark.
We'll try it. Salt? You want a little salt?
A little salt. Okay.
Are we ready for peppers?
We're ready for peppers.
Oh. Let's do this. I'll give you half of those.
Okay.
I got half of these. Put these on here.
Perfect.
You can take half of these.
All right.
And half of these. And then on this plate, we'll just go like this.
Half and half.
Does this look right? Or
This looks
are we messing it up?
spot on. And I don't like to go very long with the peppers. I like to leave a little bit of a crunch, but look at the colors. I've already got 4 different colors, and we're not even to the potatoes yet, and the tomatoes if you want another red. Again, shooting for those 5 different colors every meal if you can. Yeah, it's a great goal. I love it. It makes me think of Cinco de Mayo.
It's kind of got like that Mexican confetti, like sombrero type color to it.
Yeah.
Do we want to, I mean, is it done or like how long do you cook it?
I usually just kind of like to let the peppers get a little bit of some saute, but not a whole lot. So crunchy. You can take it off right now. Yep, get them a little warm. You can take it off right now. You can leave your peppers cook a little bit longer. I'm gonna turn mine off.
What about this? Should I add my tomatoes?
Okay, so you can also add tomato puree. I want to see what it does. So let's add it.
A little tomato in here. So that's about 2 cups.
2 cups. I'm folding that in. Oh yeah, this is
what
perfect.
I might also do is give it a little water.
Perfect.
Help thin that out. Help stretch it out, like help spread it out.
Spread it out.
All the goulash I had growing up had tomato products.
Mine too. Mine too. Yeah.
It always had corn in it.
Corn. We did it with noodles too. But since I've kind of gone away from that type of carbohydrate, we are gonna go with white rice, which is epic. Or you can go with some more sweet potatoes, or any other potato, I guess you want.
Yeah, yams. You could do squash.
Totally.
Butternut squash, something like that.
Absolutely.
But I think this has a nice look to it.
Definitely.
That also does.
Yeah.
How about taste? Do you want to try it?
Let's go.
I'm gonna taste.
Let's
both taste this.
Okay.
No, let's both taste mine first. Hey.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll save the best for
All
last.
right. Yeah, I like that.
Really simple, super simple flavor.
That reminds me of home. This will remind you of a
Cinco de Mayo.
Cinco de Mayo. Little party parade in your mouth.
Ooh, I like that. Not bad.
Get a little more pepper with that.
For Omaha?
I did it!
You did it.
Awesome.
Okay. Well, let's not talk with our mouth full, but we're gonna get cleaned up and then we'll tray this up and kind of show them what the meal prep portion looks like.
For sure.
Sound good?
Good.
Rock and roll. All right, Stace, nice work.
Thanks.
You went with yams. I had rice, about 3/4 of a cup, and you went with a half a yam in each one.
Yep.
So we're calling this one entry-level meal prep. Doesn't get much easier. We're just browning off some ground beef for some burger.
Yeah.
Right? And then
The leaner the better.
Leaner the better. Peppers, onions, and little
You
tomato
went with
products.
rice. Yeah, you went with rice.
Rice or yams. Mix it up, you guys have fun. Keep things simple, keep them flavorful. And until next time, happy cooking.